Thank you. And I'm here today at lovely Seeds of Life, beautiful holistic centre in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. And I have in front of me some minerals which always go with me. And here we have 3 Andara crystals which came from the west coast of America, discovered on the land of a Native American Indian wise woman, grandmother, and these were all gifted to me, and I'm very grateful to the lovely people who gave me them. This one everybody loves because it looks like a piece of the sea, and that's sacred to Archangel Michael. This one I particularly like because it looks like a mystical ship, an ancient craft. And since in the work that I do, I use a lot of, let's say, symbolism, this is a symbol of the craft of life, particularly like the little inclusions or bubbles in this, and the heart crystal. So these give me a lot of joy. Now Derek, who is here as we're speaking, kindly gave me this one, which I like so much. I think this one came from Brazil, is that right? South Africa. Well, I love this. I think it makes me think of a pomegranate. It just feels so nice to hold. So thank you for that. That goes with me on my work. This one spoke to me years ago in London when I was working incredibly hard, 15-minute sessions throughout the day. You can imagine at the end of the day what it felt like. As I was going back, totally exhausted, I heard my name called, and this is the one that called me by name and said, take me home. So wherever I go, whether I'm dealing with Hindus, Muslims, Christians, agnostics, Buddhists, doesn't matter, minerals, an example of God's love on earth, so they help everybody energetically. This one interests me, the high minerals. This one from the Himalayan region with little rainbows inside, and the fire crystal, which has a beautiful amethyst inside, an amethyst mountain, which of course is used a lot in meditation. And this friend, which doesn't look like it fits with the others, a lovely tektite, one of the heavenly healing stones from space that fell so many eons ago on the earth, and are honoured as healing stones by the Arabs, by the ancient Greeks, the Romans, the ancient Chinese. And I carry this because I have an affinity with these tektites, because when I was teaching in Brunei, I kept finding them. Everyone told me, you'll never find a tektite, you'll never find a black moonstone of Borneo. But I did. I found over 100. And I learned a very, very valuable lesson through the mineral kingdom, because I'd wanted so badly to find this mystical stone, the black moonstone of Borneo. I found one and I gave it away. I found another and I gave it away. And as I gave away the minerals, they kept coming back to me. And so I learned that about sharing and giving, and the universe taught me a valuable lesson. So these are my, if you like, my friends that go with me. They energize me, they heal me. I love to see small children when they go past, let's say if I'm in Melbourne or something, and they pick them up. And people say you shouldn't let anyone else handle your minerals, but I don't agree with that. The mineral itself is strong enough to emanate and to give and to share. And so, thank you for listening, consciously or not, and thank you for having me here. I like the energy very much here. The trees, the plants, the minerals, the wonderful work that you're doing with oils and tinctures and so on. It's wonderful to see this healing energy.